Greetings YouTube. You join me on a really rather nice sunny warm day, and I am again, once again, on the Cumbrian Coast. Come to my, well, it probably is my favourite spot at Flimby, because I think this is the Lakelander being pulled by the Sherwood Forester that is supposed to be coming down the coast, and I've got about 30 minutes to get to the spot that I usually like to pick, and I've got lots of bits here with me. You're probably thinking I always come to Flimby, and that's just, I've seen it before, and I've seen Sherwood Forester before at Flimby, and I've seen you film Sherwood Forester before at Flimby, and you'd be right on all those counts. But I have a bit more, I have different tech today. I have got a new camera, or a different camera to what I usually use. I was previously using a Panasonic Lumix FZ2000 or 2500, 2500, can't remember. It's one of the two. They may in fact be one and the same model, but I digress. But I have now since bought second-hand a Sony RX10 Mark III. I can remember numbers, honest. So, and I've also got some new microphones. So hopefully the sound will be a lot better also. And I've not tried them down here at Flimby. So I thought this would be a good opportunity to try and do just that. I always forget that walking and talking and carrying heavy stuff are three things that are very hard to do. So I'd best get on with the walking and the carrying, and maybe a bit less of the talking. It's also worth noting that I've actually done quite a bit of filming with some of this new kit, just have not found the time to get it all edited up. There's a few different videos of very different types that are coming up, so be sure to click to subscribe if you don't want to miss out on that next video when it comes, whenever I actually get around to editing it. Hopefully soon. Hopefully soon. Okay, so I've got about 5 minutes before the train's due, and I think I'm just about set up. Oh, dear me. I really wish I left more time, but then I'd just try and get more cameras and film more stuff and try more things, for the better or for the worse. Probably for the worse. One thing that's worth noting is I believe that they're actually doing sound sampling on the engine as it's on its run today. So I believe, certainly when it left Carnforth, I believe there was a big microphone mounted up right beside the funnel, which, you know, for your purists, is not exactly authentic, is it? But you know, I believe it is to go on a ore gauge Black 5 model engine, or it's part of the DCC sound system that they're trying to develop, and they're trying to get the sounds to put on it. So for me, trains running on the modern network, I like to see them. I'm just glad to see them moving. I'm less bothered about how authentic they are in that setting, certainly. So, and it's nice to be able to have models. So it's not going to bother me. I think it just provides a bit of interest as she approaches. We'll see if she's still got the microphone on or if they've taken it off. We'll soon find out. Any minute soon. It's British Railways. It's soon, not now. Never now. It's always soon. Well, there you go. Sherwood Forester. I didn't see the microphone. But then I was too busy paying attention to filming it. This is the problem when you come to film these things. You don't always see them pass, which sounds really weird, but you're focusing so much on getting it in centre of camera and panning or tracking or positioning right that you don't actually stop and go, ooh, train, isn't that nice? But yeah, I hope that all came out okay. It's so good just to see a steam train. Always good to see a steam train. You know me, I always love to see a steam train in virtually any context, so this has been good. And the weather has held off, which is miraculous. It really is. I'm being bathed in sunlight and not a drop of water to be seen. Not counting the sea over there. We'll ignore that. Or the beck, that's literally there. But, you know, details. Anyway, right, time for me to get packed up and get home and maybe get this edited up. So, thanks very much for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.